Welcome to Crazy Speed Limits. This was filmed last Wednesday, the 12th of June, on the Monash Freeway in Melbourne. I've just joined the Monash Freeway from Warrigal Road and about to speed up to 100 kilometres an hour. It's about midday. It's a bit overcast and a slight drizzle outbound on the Monash Freeway. Traffic's flowing freely. Just moved over to one of the middle lanes. And up ahead there's flashing lights warning to slow down to 80 kilometres an hour. So, like the others, I slowed down, wondering what's ahead, looking for a hazard. Traffic is also flowing freely on the other side of the road, heading in towards Melbourne. Perhaps a vehicle has broken down. Maybe the police have pulled over someone. Oh, now we're down to 60 kilometres an hour. This is serious. There must be some incident up ahead. I'm looking left, I'm looking right. I can't see any reason for the slowdown. Maybe you can spot something. I wonder what the next sign says. Relief, 100 kilometres. Don't know what all that was about. Please look in the description under this online video for YouTube links to my other dashcam videos.